Scarlett, come here. What's wrong?
I think she said a bug.
A bug?
Yep. Okay.
Scarlett, Scarlett, who are you?
Car.
Who are you dressed up as?
Darcy.
Dorothy?
Yep. Hi, Darcy.
Dorothy, yeah. From the Wizard of Oz?
Come on, we're here.
Not from the Wizard of Oz? No. Where's Dorothy from? What color is your dress?
Darcy.
Is it blue? Yeah. Do you have where's your bow? Oh, that's a pretty bow.
Darcy.
Yeah, that's a nice bow. I like that bow. What color are your shoes? What color are your shoes? Huh? What's that?
What's that?
What is that?
What's that?
Is that the garage?
This.
Whoa, it was a garage opening, huh? It was loud.
A book.
Oh. Scarlett, what color are your shoes? Are they red?
Yes.
Yes, they're red.
Red too.
Yeah, the camera's red too, isn't it?
What?
Are your shoes like ruby red slippers?
Slippers.
They're like slippers?
Are Daddy's shoes red?
No, I red.
Well, yours are red? What color are Daddy's? Who knows?
Oh
Are they black?
That's your nose, huh?
Yeah, that's your name.
They're black.
Are Desmond's shoes red?
no. No.
No?
I shop.
Those are socks?
Oh. Book.
It's a little bug, huh? Yeah, a little itty bitty bug.
Oh.
He flew away.
I got one.
Yeah, he flew away. I saw him. Yeah, it's like that.
All right, Scarlett, give me a big smile.
Book. Yeah.
A little bug there.
Give me a big smile, Scarlett. Say bye.
Give Mom a big smile. Give the camera a big smile. Go.
Say there's no place like home.
I want to eat. I want to eat.
Say there's no place like home.
The face scared me.
It
Say-
scared you?
The face.
Say,
That fly scared you?
say, I want to go home.
Go home.
Can you say and Toto too?
Go home.
Can you say and Toto too?
Go home.
She was just getting into character last night, maybe.